Hi friends, this is Shrikant. Welcome to our channel Black Soldier Fly India. Thank you for supporting me in Facebook and YouTube. And we will be discussing about Black Soldier Fly larvas and stages and all of the Black Soldier Fly life cycle in this channel. Please subscribe, like, share and support me on FB and YouTube. So today we are discussing about some of the eating habits of the black soldier fly and my experiences with them with the different fruits. I am here having two bins. One is with watermelon or muskmelon, one is with carrots. And this is before 2 days, 2 or 3 days, and this is today only I have put. So we can see here. So muskmelon purely eaten by black soldier flies, where we will be having some water thing which will be smelly also. So all the muskmelon was eaten by black soldier fly within 1 or 2 days. So you can see some black colored thing is there, liquid type. So this will be smelling too much high. So I have removed all the black soldier flies from here because I am unable to get them into the formal way. So I have removed from them. But here you can see some of are already there. Okay. So this is one pit with the carrots, and this is one with watermelon or muskmelon. So my experience is what will be happening with these two. So if you put watermelon and muskmelon, it will eat all the easiest way, all the smooth things, and you will be having with peel. So peel, some of the peel it can eat, but it will not pure thing. And one another drawback is you will be getting black colored liquid, so that will be smelling too much. So whenever you are having a muskmelon or watermelon, if you put into your normal pit, it will change all the pit and it will become some liquid type things. So it will destroy all the formal way of eating. So some of them cannot be eaten. So what I did is I have took them into some other bowl and I dried them, and then I put some carrots. So here you can see the carrots. So these I put before 3 hours. So now they are eating some more good. My observation is eating carrot by the black soldier fly is some more hard, because comparatively with the watermelon or muskmelon, they are having difficulty to eating carrots. You can see here. And wait, I will be taking one another bowl which is having both carrots and as well as watermelons. I thought cutting all the carrots or vegetables or fruits and give them as a feed is a bad idea. I thought it was a good idea, but now I realized that is a bad idea. If you are cutting any fruits into the different shapes, this shape cannot be able to handled by the black soldier flies, because they cannot eat them. Because if they are having bigger one, some of them will be penetrated, some of them will be eating, some of them will be twisted or turn them, and that will happen, and all those will be in dry. If you are making anything by cutting, then the water will come. Those water will be making more difficult to the black soldier fly for eating them. You can see here one muskmelon or watermelon, only peel was remained, but here some of some of the uneaten thing also will be there. You can see here. See here, have put this before 3 days, but no black soldier fly has eaten this. So these all are the failure. In my language, it is a failure thing, because cutting them into pieces and giving them as a feed is a bad idea. So rather than you can give directly to them and they will eat like this. So this is one thing, and today I will be showing one of my best and very big larva pit. So you can see here comparison with this and this. So these are very fresh, very big and very active. We will be checking one larva. We'll be checking one larva. Size of this larva, we can compare size of the larva. So this is already going to be black, so it is in the ending stage, but it is still in white color. So what is the difference between this and this? Now how this became like this and how it is still like this? For this we will be discussing in next video. So support me in Facebook and YouTube, subscribe my channel Black Soldier Fly India, and support me and provide me your suggestions. Thank you very much.